In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell courses on Whop. We'll start from your Whop Business Home dashboard because that's the central place where you manage everything related to your products. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the section or link labeled products. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your existing products live, and it's also where you can create new ones. If you already have a product that you want to attach your course to, click on that product to open its settings. If you don't have any products yet, take a moment to create one first, then open it up. Inside the product view, you'll see several tabs across the top of the page. Find the tab labeled Apps and click on it. On the Apps page, scroll down to the Add a New App section. Here, you'll see an option for Courses. Click on that Courses option. A toggle will appear that lets you turn courses on for this product. Switch that toggle on so that courses are enabled. When you've done that, make sure you scroll down and click Save Product. This step is important so that Whop actually applies these changes. Next, return to your main business home area. From there, in the main section of the dashboard, look for Courses in the column of options and click it. This opens the dedicated courses area linked to your business. Now, click on Add Course. This is where you'll set up the course that your customers will access. You'll see fields for the course name and description. Click into those fields and type in a clear, engaging title and a concise description that explains what the course covers and who it's for. This helps potential buyers quickly understand the value of your course. Below that, you'll see a cover section. Click on Change to upload or select a course cover image. Choose something clean and professional that visually represents your topic. When you're happy with the basic details and cover, click on Create to generate your course structure. You'll now be taken into the lesson editor. In the Add a Video to this lesson section, choose how you'd like to add your content. You can upload a video file, embed a video from another platform, or paste a video link, depending on what works best for you. This will be the main teaching component of that lesson. If you want to include extra resources, look for the File Attachments area and click Upload Attachment to add PDFs, worksheets, or any supporting files you'd like your students to download. You can also click into the content field to add additional text, such as summaries, key points, or links. When you're ready to expand your curriculum, click on Add New Chapter to create the next part of your course. Repeat the same process. Add videos, attachments, and any text you need. Continue this until your full course is built out